Welcome back, guys, to the Miami Bro channel. We're out here at Black Point Marina. Not sure if I'll be able to capture anything interesting today, but if I do, it will definitely be on this video. So stay tuned and let's see what we get. Ramp 1, launch only. For those of you who have asked before, check it out. 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. There you go. You know what? It's a pretty busy day for it being a weekday. It really is. This guy with the tracker. And that guy accelerates and those two guys fall down. That'll be hilarious. I think earlier this morning it was actually pretty good weather for trackers because it was pretty flat. The water was pretty good. On the way back in, it was pretty rough, and all we got was a bunch of chops. It was choppy. At least for my boat, and that's that I have a deck boat. All right, let's go see the other side. Okay, so we're walking over to the other side. Let's check out what we see. I don't know. Guy has all his cheese in the back of the truck. He's like, I'm still going out on the boat. Let's check out this side. Alright guys, so it is right now about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Actually 5 something, let's check it out. And it's 5:27. Let's see what time. Maybe you can, I don't know. And it's pretty busy for being 5:27. Check it out. Some pretty cool boats they have here. It's Cobia. I don't know what those. That's a deck boat. I don't know what it is. Bayliner. 2 Bayliners. Pretty nice. Let's go. Let's check it out. Pro. By the way, we actually were out earlier today and we came back because you see the storm that's over there behind that bit behind that hill. Yeah, the weather application told us that around this time or so it was in a storm in this area. So we don't play around. We make sure we always check the weather and we follow it. Sometimes it's accurate, sometimes it exaggerates, but most of the time, you know, it's on point. By the way, this the way this guy's doing his boat. He's pulling it up right over there. That's the style that people do it in the Keys, where they have no ramps and it's just pretty much actually where they don't have this I don't know what you would call this thing. I'll figure it out later on, but I just had a nasty brain fart. Well, they don't have this right here, this pier type thing. All they have is just a ramp. So they throttle the boat onto the trailer. And you guys could comment and tell me Oh my god, you didn't know the name of that. Yeah, just had a brain fart. It happens to people. It happens to the best of us. I guess this guy's gonna back out his boat. Let's see. Two young kids, but it seems like they know what they're doing. You guys do that, right? When it's low tide? You do that when it's low tide in order for the boat to be able to get on?
Yeah. But this trailer floats too much if I go too much in the water.
Yeah, and you can't go more back because you'll start skidding.
Yeah. I got 4-wheel drive, so I don't take a chance.
Sure.
Usually get in. It's light enough where I can put it in, but I want to teach them, you know?
That's good. I was just recording right now these two kids, and I was saying that style that you're gonna do now is usually how people in the Keys do it, where all there is just a ramp.
Yeah.
There's nothing else. You have to actually drive it up, and it's a bit complicated.
It is. I'm going to teach them today and see if we can pick it up. Come on, baby, let's go.
Well, there you go. That's how you teach your kid when they're young. I'm looking forward to having these moments when my kids get big enough and I'm able to actually give them the chance to do this. Oh, the manatee right there, you guys missed it. And that is the reason, guys, you have to go here slow, no wake zone. Here is idle speed, no wake, because there are manatees. That's JR. Same time, we got this guy over there coming in pretty fast, but it seems like he knows what he's doing. He has people with the line in the hand. Uh-oh. Good job, bro. First time. Check out the channel, Miami Bro channel. Miami Bro channel.
Miami?
Bro
Channel.
channel. Check it out.
Hope you put us on there.
Yeah, of course.
I'll check it out.
I put the good and the funny and the mistakes, but I explain when people do something bad, you know, I explain it.
Got it.
But you guys did a good job, man.
Miami Bro channel. We'll check it out.
Got it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the Miami Bro channel. This is the last part of the video because my GoPro is dying in batteries and it's about to start to rain. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed I guess the little peaceful little views of Blackpool Marina, because not much happened today. Something can't always happen all the time. I haven't been out here in a while, so I will catch you guys later. I don't know if I should title this Blackpool Marina fair ramps, because there was absolutely no fair ramps at all. Everybody did a great job, but I'm still gonna show you guys how some of these guys out here do it. I guess everybody's gotten better. Practice makes better, man. Check it out, and stay tuned for the next video.